Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. Today we'll be doing a spring landscape. I'll be doing a lot of flowers and sceneries on spring since it's springtime and I love to do seasonal things. For that we'll be needing a drawing sheet, some acrylic colors, some brushes. In case you do not have this brush, you can use your makeup brush or you can use foil paper. I'll be using cotton buds too. So let's get started. Before we start, I would like to share a few samples which people have created after seeing my last tutorial. It is so rewarding and beautiful paintings. The colors I'm using are white, black, deep blue, light blue, yellow, green and red. In this tutorial, I'm going slow because I've been requested to show details of the painting, and there are few parts which I have only created a time-lapse painting. So enjoy it. When using acrylic paint, you would like to use a lot of water because it dries up really fast. Also, if you do the same paintings in a canvas, the effect is more beautiful because the canvas cloth makes the painting more vibrant and absorbs the paint very nicely and blends it well. Here, when my first layer is completely dry, then I have applied the second layer. When you do paintings, you would like to dry the first layers and then put additional layers, and the more layers and details you give, the painting looks more good. If you like my paintings and my channel, please share, subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Bye.